Mako.
Oh, Mako, yes. Yes, I was there for Mako, I think.
Last year?
Maybe. I know there was an event that might have been last year.
No, I'm getting some deja vu right now.
Yes, I go see one Orlando a lot. I do film a lot over there. Basically, any birthday allows it.
Do not extend your legs in front of you and keep your feet in the down position.
Yeah, I think there wasn't.
I missed the ERT.
Oh, you missed the ERT?
Well, they shifted. It was supposed to be this morning, so I wasn't going to be here early yesterday.
Oh no!
So it was just roller coaster and
Did you get right earlier today?
I didn't get to ride it early. By the time I walked up to it, I was here before the park opened, but it was already. It was a 2-hour line before they even opened that section.
Yeah, because they were saying that those who missed the ERT yesterday could escort you forward to it.
What? I didn't.
Yes.
No one told me that.
Like right after the Goose Photo, they made the announcement.
Oh my God! I missed the announcement. I go, that's so bad.
Oh no. Still a hand in bank. Yeah, it's still good. Still have to kind of rate it defensively.
Yeah.
Alright.
Your safety belt and remain seated until your safety restraint has been released. Please exit to your right and flush your bag. If you're riding the back, have a great day here at Lagoon.
Yeah, good talking to you.